Welcome back. Let's just tell you the two big takeaways as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech in Tonk in Rajasthan is concerned. He broke a silence on the harassment and the attacks that the Kashmiri students were facing. He appealed to the people, to the masses, not to harass them any further. He went on to say that the country is going to protect Kashmiris all across India. The Prime Minister paid tributes to Pulwama martyrs and hailed security forces for neutralizing the suicide attack masterminds within 100 hours. He also directly took on Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, who had initially, when he swore oath as Prime Minister and spoke to Narendra Modi over the phone, promised to walk the talk over peace with India. He's now dared him to go ahead and do just that. Listen in.
कश्मीरियों के खिलाफ नहीं है। पिछले दिनों कहां क्या हुआ, घटना छोटी थी कि बड़ी थी, कश्मीरी बच्चों के साथ हिंदुस्तान के किसी कोने में क्या हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ, मुद्दा ये नहीं है। इस देश में ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए। कश्मीर का बच्चा वो भी इन आतंकवादियों से परेशान है। वो भी आतंकवाद को खत्म करने के लिए हमारे साथ आने के लिए तैयार है। हमें उसको साथ रखना है। आपने देखा होगा अमरनाथ की यात्रा, देश से लाखों श्रद्धालु जाते हैं। अगर उनकी कोई देखभाल करता है तो ये मेरा कश्मीर का बच्चा करता है, कश्मीर के लोग करते हैं। आज भी कश्मीर में जैसे हिंदुस्तान के जवान मरते हैं, शहीद होते हैं, वैसे कश्मीर के लाल भी ये आतंकवादियों की गोलियों से शहीद होते हैं। और इसलिए जब कुछ लोग, भले वो 2 हो, 4 हो, 5 हो, लेकिन ऐसे लोगों की ऐसी हरकतें उन लोगों को ताकत देती है जो भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे गैंग वालों को आशीर्वाद देने जाते हैं।
Devankur Vadhavan now joins me live from Tonk on the phone line. Joining me live on the phone line from Srinagar is Gaurav Sawant. Dev, coming to you first. Two key takeaways, one being the message to Imran Khan and the bigger one being the Prime Minister breaking his silence over the harassment and attacks on Kashmiris.
Well, Vedika, attack in Pulwama in which 40 CRPF jawans were martyred and the attack on Kashmiri students in its aftermath were one of the major focus areas of the Prime Minister's speech in Tonk. He clearly mentioned that there needs to be a distinction which has to be made between the attack in Kashmir and the Kashmiri students. He also mentioned that Kashmiris have been at the receiving end of this terrorism that has been perpetrated from Pakistan, and that we need to ensure that the Kashmiris are on the side on which India is in this battle against terrorism. He also mentioned that these kind of attacks gives a kind of strength to those who want Kashmir to be separated from India, who have carried on with this secessionist movement in the past. And he also mentioned that whenever there is a yatra, the Amarnath yatra which takes place, it's the Kashmiris who ensure that Indians who go over there for pilgrimage are protected. So clearly a welcome message coming from the Prime Minister at the Vijay Sankalp rally in Tonk in Rajasthan, clearly pointing out that these kind of attacks should not happen.
Right. Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.